Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the camera during a live video on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device and navigate to the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Tap on the option for live video to start your live video broadcast on Facebook. During your live video, locate the rotate feature on the right side of the screen and tap on it to switch to the other camera on your device. By tapping on rotate, you can seamlessly switch between the front-facing and rear-facing cameras during your live video broadcast on Facebook. With this feature, you can easily change the camera perspective to capture different angles or moments during your live videos. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to change the camera during your live videos on Facebook. Enhance your live broadcasts and engage your viewers by effortlessly switching between camera views with this simple feature.